How's it, guys? Welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm your boy Taylor DJ. So today sibuyile with another album review. So today siphethe EP inengoma ezu-6 uSamkelo noMakhosazana. Abaningi babazi ngo-Azana noSam Deep. So bakhiphe i-EP iphumile nje. I think ineviki elilodwa iphumile. Ibiza Kwakhanya, so igama le-EP leyo bafethu. I think ihlangene abantu abo-2 basebancane. I think ama-2K bo-2 laba, so ayingizwile i-EP ayiyasho. So without wasting nje ixesha bafethu, ingoma yokuqala bogogo bafethu. I think leyo ngoma nje kumele sikhulume nge-production bafethu. Hayi Sam Deep, uMadiphana, I think wenze kakhulu lapho. So even ama-vocals akhona like ama-element spiritual la ngoma bafethu, kuningi okwenzakala moyilaleli bafethu. I think yona ngoma yokuthwasa right now. Umuntu ufuna ukuthwasa noma ufuna ukuphuma ekuthwaseni, hayi le hayi inomoya ngempela. So yona ingoma yokuqala nje big kakhulu naseredweni. I think yona isingle ehamba phambili, hayi mnandi kakhulu. Then kube khona enye ingoma enamachita awu-2 ngahlonipha kakhulu kwi-production ibizwa Ngenxa Yakho. So leyo ino Dimthuda ibe no Dub Musical Chef. So la machita awu-2 asondelene-ke noSam Deep because even kule album akade kayakhipha last imali entwana bebekhona production because abantu abawu-2 abaseduze kwakhe ama-hotman akhe lawana. So I know tsombo kakhulu i-production after bogogo. I think yona ngoma esibili ezoba nama-numbers amaningi masiza la kuma-streaming platforms because ayashaya kakhulu. But sikhona ezinye ingoma ezimnandi, khona engizwile Izinkomo like ikhuluma ngamajita like uma usunentombi lakho lokhu kujola into ehambayo but inkomo ahambi. So wazana ukuthi ndoda phela kumele uphinde uvele nasekhaya ulethe iy'nkomo. So I think enye ingoma abantu abaningi abazo-enjoya ine-message ebalulekile amajita bafethu, ingagcina ngokujola kuphela kulotsholo. Ya ingoma isho njalo, kusho mina. So Azana benoSam Deep leyo. Then kube khona Ithemba Lami, ngizwile nayo ithe ukuphola kakhulu. Yabo ukuthi ubumuntu oke waba umlandeli we-deep house before kufika amapiano. I think lo ngoma uzo-enjoya kakhulu because uSam Deep yonke engiyithanda ngayo kakhulu as much as enza amapiano but iside le-deep house uyalizwa uma ulokulalela yena, so akalifuni ulilahle lena. So uSam Deep lo we-deep ngempela because i-deep yalenza. So I think nje i-combination yabo bobo-2 ayasebenza futhi bazoya kude kakhulu. I wish besinike even noma i-album after this bengagcina le EP because bobo-2 abantu ababhizi kakhulu because last year uAzana ukhiphe album. So that's why nami ngisurprise mangibona ukuthi hawu uAzana no-music omusha because last year ubekhiphe album ibizwa Igago. So yeah, I think ayipromote kakhulu now because i-first album yakhe la ibizwa Ingoma yaba big kakhulu because laphana wesasebenza noSanela. I think somehow wesanda yona i-Elwet noma wayene-partnership but wayesebenza noSanela bonke laba abantu. So leyo yaba nkulu kakhulu because wenengoma iwuhuru naye yabona nje I think debut album ayipromote kakhulu. Le Igago I feel like nje bavele bayiposta kuma-platform basubmit eredweni but abazange benayo kakhulu. But ikhona enye isingle akayikhipha like ine-Major League DJ like i-remix le ngoma DJ Sbu Everything Happened For A Reason. So enye ingoma engike ngayizwa Azana this year, I know imnandi kakhulu but uSam Deep production I know uyalwa ngempela, ubamela abantu abaningi. So Samkelo I know amuhle umsebenzi. So hayi thina so-Speaker Now ngisirethile EP ingoma ezu-6 izithombo zonke. So I know I think it is fair ukuthi sibanikeze lo munalo out of 10. I know inthombo kakhulu, even i-cover yakhona nje uyabona ukuthi lesi i-EP nje yenziwe ngesimo somoya. So I think abantu abaningi like yona into abazothwasa ngayo makuthiwa kuyathwasa bafethu. So thina sesithwasa nathi singaqondanga bafethu because le spiritual esiza namapiano sinzima ngempela bafethu. So yeah, Speaker Now sekhona ku-Twitter @Speaker Now, ku-Facebook Speaker Now, sikhona na ku-Instagram, sesikhona ku-TikTok. Asikayijwayeli kahle but kuyangena kancane c.Speaker Now. So yeah, I'm your boy Taylor DJ. So ngikhona ku-Facebook, likhona i-page, official page lalenziwe mina la Taylor DJ ku-Facebook, naku-Twitter @THEDDAEEJ. So that is Taylor DJ. Yeah, so ngisekhona nje kulo ma-platforms o-2 ezi-host nami i-page lami elikhona lo. Angiqhelanga ukuposta but yeah sekhona.